this old little wash tub out of the way.
I ain't seen one of them in years.
Go ahead and take this wire loose.
Say cheese. I think I'm a little too close. Oh. I fell.
Don't fall. Makes pretty good content.
Yeah, but I'm not in the video. I've been a
bird's nest.
Poor baby bird.
That was the bird's revenge there. It tripped you up.
I should have been looking down. Oh, that's gonna come down, ain't it?
Yeah, I broke the... Let me get my hammer. I broke the board a little bit.
Be careful.
Around on it. Need a pair of carpenter jeans, don't I?
Off she goes.
Board's buzzing.
Oh, has it got bees in it? You might want to stand back. Think it's got a nest?
I don't know. You don't hear it buzzing?
I hear something buzzing.
Whoa! Are they coming after me? I think we'll slowly pull this one out of the way. Yeah, you can see all their holes they burrowed up and through here. Come here and look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. They're still in there. I still hear them. All the way up through there. They've been living there.
Well, they made them perfectly round, didn't they?
Pull this out of the way. It's still buzzing. I hear it.
I don't know what you can do about that.
Just let it sit there until they all get out.
They're inside of it, so.
All right. As you can see here, we just put a 2x4 up against this building here. But I'm actually going to set a post. We've also got another problem here. We kind of can't make it as tall as the others because it has to clear, a board has to clear from there to here. So I'm going to have to make this slanted down at an angle a little bit to get it all the way up to here.
Well, I just put it deeper in the ground than the other boards. That way.
Just cut it off.
Oh, yeah.
But that bottom rotted on that board anyway. So we're going to do it the other with a 4x4 treated. All right, this frees up our spot here. We'll worry about that later. Let me go ahead and move at least these 2 tires. Get them out of the way. Hopefully, I can just lift it up and do it the smart way. Put it in there.
Work smarter, not harder, right?
If you're smart enough to. Took me a while to even think of that.
It ain't all gonna.
Let me get the rake and the shovel, smooth that out.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we'll start digging the post hole. Actually, go ahead and cut it there. We got the FedEx guy.
Okay.
FedEx guy showed up.